Here is the abalone, mushroom, and also
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Chinese New Year, we definitely have abalone, canned abalone at home. What are some of the easiest way to use it? Well, you can cook abalone with chicken. You can cook abalone with sea cucumber. Very, very simple. Basically, there's only 2 steps. Open the can, put everything together, done. That's how simple it is. Let me quickly show you. Yeah. So this is 1 can of canned abalone here. 5 pieces of abalone inside, and this is it comes with very nice braised broth. Yeah, 红烧酱. And then I have some sea cucumber. This is actually the defrost sea cucumber. So make sure you actually clean off the innards, yeah, thoroughly. If not, it can be very fishy. But other than that, sea cucumber itself doesn't come with any flavor. So you need to use this braise to braise the sea cucumber. First of all, get a deeper pan or a wok, and you pour in the braised broth. Dilute it with some filtered water. There are more sauce at the side, don't waste it. You can have a taste. If you think it's too diluted, you can add in a little bit more light soy sauce. Once it started to boil, we can put in the sea cucumber. And you want to braise the sea cucumber for around 15 to 30 minutes. Then only we will add in the abalone. This is after like about 10-11 minutes. I decided to add something else also. Putting in some king trumpet mushroom, 鲍鱼菇, yeah. This one also tastes like abalone. So this will be the vegetarian abalone. King trumpet mushroom. So we shall let it continue cooking under medium low heat. Alright, this is after another about 8 minutes, almost done. All the mushroom has been softened also. I'm going to put in the abalone and give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. That's how simple it is, but I promise you this is going to taste really good. Ready to be served. Here's my serving plate. Here is the abalone, mushroom, and also sea cucumber. I hope you like my very simple Chinese New Year recipe today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, or click like and follow button, follow up on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.